Just one fruit daily to stop your proteinuria quickly and heal kidney fast. Are you struggling with proteinuria? If you've been dealing with this condition, you know how frustrating it can be to find effective natural solutions that truly work. Imagine if just one simple, delicious fruit could make a difference in your health, helping to stop proteinuria and heal your kidneys faster than you ever thought possible. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into an incredible discovery that could change the way you manage your kidney health forever. This little powerhouse of nutrition is something you can easily find at your local grocery store, and adding it to your daily routine could be the key to turning your health around. Intrigued? You should be, because the fruit we're about to reveal is not only tasty but also packed with kidney-healing properties that you don't want to miss. So what is this miracle fruit? Stay tuned because the answer might surprise you. Before we unveil this amazing fruit, let's take a moment to understand proteinuria and why it's crucial to address it. Proteinuria is a condition where an abnormal amount of protein is found in your urine. This happens when your kidneys aren't functioning properly and are allowing proteins that should remain in your bloodstream to pass into your urine. Proteinuria can be a sign of serious kidney damage, and if left untreated, it can lead to chronic kidney disease. The symptoms of proteinuria may include foamy or frothy urine, swelling in your hands, feet, or abdomen, and sometimes there might not be any noticeable symptoms at all, making it a silent but dangerous condition. Regular checkups and urine tests are essential for diagnosing proteinuria early. Now let's talk about how you can naturally combat this condition with just one simple addition to your diet. So what is this magical fruit that can help stop proteinuria and promote faster kidney healing? It's none other than the humble blueberry. Despite their small size, blueberries are nothing short of a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with a unique combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that make them incredibly beneficial for kidney health. But what makes blueberries so effective in combating proteinuria and supporting overall kidney function? First and foremost, blueberries are exceptionally rich in antioxidants, particularly a group of compounds known as anthocyanins. These anthocyanins are what give blueberries their distinctive vibrant blue hue, but their benefits go far beyond just color. Antioxidants like anthocyanins play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to kidney damage, as it leads to inflammation and deterioration of kidney tissues over time. By reducing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in blueberries help protect your kidneys from further damage, allowing them to function more efficiently and effectively. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries are a kidney-friendly fruit due to their low content of sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. These are minerals that, when consumed in excess, can put a strain on the kidneys, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. By choosing a low-sodium, low-phosphorus, and low-potassium fruit like blueberries, you're providing your kidneys with nourishment that doesn't add any additional burden to their workload. This makes blueberries an ideal choice for those looking to support kidney health without compromising on nutrition. But that's just the beginning of what blueberries have to offer. These tiny fruits have been extensively studied for their ability to lower blood pressure, which is particularly important for kidney health. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, as it forces the kidneys to work harder to filter blood, leading to wear and tear over time. By helping to regulate blood pressure, blueberries indirectly reduce the risk of further kidney damage and promote long-term kidney health. Moreover, blueberries have been shown to help control blood sugar levels. Elevated blood sugar is another risk factor for kidney disease, particularly in individuals with diabetes. The fiber content in blueberries, combined with their natural compounds, helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, thereby preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes blueberries an excellent dietary choice for those managing both diabetes and kidney health. Finally, let's not forget the cardiovascular benefits of blueberries. Maintaining a healthy heart is integral to keeping your kidneys in good shape, as the two systems are closely linked. Blueberries contribute to heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and enhancing overall circulation. When your heart is functioning well, your kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, which is essential for their optimal performance. In summary, blueberries are more than just a delicious fruit. They're a superfood that offers a multifaceted approach to kidney health. From protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation to supporting heart health and regulating blood sugar, blueberries provide a comprehensive array. of benefits that make them a must-have in your daily diet, especially if you're dealing with proteinuria or other kidney-related issues. Now that you know how beneficial blueberries can be for your kidneys, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine. The good news is, blueberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. So how much should you be eating? Aiming for about 1 cup of blueberries a day is a good start. Whether they're fresh or frozen, this amount gives you all the nutritional goodness without going overboard on sugar. Plus, if fresh blueberries aren't in season or available, don't worry. Frozen ones are just as good, and they're often picked at peak ripeness, so you're not missing out on any of the benefits. Now let's talk about some fun and tasty ways to enjoy blueberries every day. If you're into smoothies, you can just toss in a handful of blueberries with some low-sugar yogurt and a splash of almond milk. It's a super easy and delicious way to kick off your morning, plus it's fantastic for your kidneys. Or if you love oatmeal, try sprinkling some blueberries on top. They add a burst of flavor and a healthy boost to your breakfast bowl. It's like a little morning treat that's both nutritious and satisfying. And when you need a quick snack, blueberries are perfect. You can munch on them straight from the bowl, or even toss them into a salad for a sweet and tangy twist. It's a refreshing pick-me-up anytime you need it. And for those of you with a sweet tooth, blueberries make an awesome topping for desserts like chia pudding or even mixed into a light sorbet. They're a delicious way to satisfy your cravings without the guilt. So whether it's breakfast, a snack, or dessert, blueberries are a super versatile and tasty way to add a little extra health boost to your day. As for when to eat them, mornings are ideal. Whether you add them to your breakfast or have them as a mid-morning snack, this timing lets your body soak up all the nutrients throughout the day. It's a simple habit that can have a big impact on your kidney health. So give it a try. Adding blueberries to your routine is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to take care of your kidneys. Enjoy! As you can see, incorporating blueberries into your daily routine is not only simple, but also incredibly beneficial for your kidney health. Whether you're blending them into a smoothie, adding them to your breakfast, or enjoying them as a snack or dessert, this little fruit packs a powerful punch. Remember, it's all about consistency. Making small, healthy choices every day can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. So why not start today? Head to your local store, grab some blueberries, and give your kidneys the care they deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who could benefit from this information. And subscribe to our channel, Healthy Habitat, for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your kidneys. They take care of you.